Hey YouTube, welcome to the eLab, the channel for beginner and intermediate hobbyists for electronics. Today we're going to be making an IR tester. Circuit. So let's get started. We're going to need a breadboard. We'll need an LED. You'll need a resistor. I believe this resistor is a 330 resistor. You're going to need some wire. And you're going to need an IR receiver. Now this IR receiver has 3 legs, and the number 1 pin is the out, the number 2 pin is the negative, and the number 3 pin is the positive. And we're going to need a 9-volt battery to power this circuit. So first thing I like to do is I like to place the IR receiver on the breadboard. Place it anywhere you want on the breadboard. I'll place this one right there like that. And let's take the negative to the middle pin, which is the number 2 pin, and place on the negative strip. And then we're going to take the positive and place on the number 3 positive leg. Then we're going to take the out of the IR receiver and bring that across the board anywhere you want. And then we're going to tie that into a resistor. And then place the other side of the resistor anywhere you want. And then we're going to go from the negative side, or the short leg of the LED, to the other side of the resistor, and then the long leg to the power, the plus side. And then we're going to place our 9-volt power on the breadboard. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple circuit. Oops, I got that backwards there. Let's turn that around. Make sure the power's on the right side there. Now it's a pretty simple circuit, but the circuit is a good circuit to be testing your remote. If you have a remote and you try to turn on your TV and the TV is not responding, well, you would probably think to change the batteries in the remote. If you change the batteries in the remote and then try it again and it's still not making the TV respond, well, then something might be wrong with the remote, or something might be wrong with the TV circuit. A good way to test this is to have the IR test circuit. So press any button on any remote you have, point it at the IR, and the LED will blink if the remote is good. Let me move this so you can see the LED. So this LED will blink when I press any key on the remote. See? That means it's receiving the signal from the remote. Hopefully you can see that okay on the... Sometimes it's hard to see LEDs on the close-up camera there. But like I say, it's a simple circuit, but it's a useful circuit. And in my next few videos, we're going to use IR for turning on motors, use it for a remote on and off, for lights. We'll do that on the next couple videos that we do. Thank you for watching the eLab, and we'll see you next time.